This was a pull day across the board. The Dow fell 0.46%, S&P dropped 0.3%, the Nasdaq slipped 0.38%, and the Russell 2000 was down 0.61%. The streak is broken. 6 straight gains for the S&P and Nasdaq, and now a reset. Breadth was split. The NYSE held up, but the Nasdaq was soft, negative more than 2-to-1. Volume was heavy with over 10.8 billion on the NYSE and 16.2 billion shares traded on the Nasdaq. This wasn't noise, it was a controlled rotation. Leadership came from defensive sectors, real estate, utilities, consumer staples, industrials, healthcare, and discretionary got hit along with big tech. Tesla and Meta pulled back while UPS, UNH, Merck, and PayPal also weighed on sentiment. Oil ripped higher, up 4.1% to $69.46 after Trump said he is not concerned about how sanctions affect Russian supply. Gold closed up 0.4% while Treasury yields dropped hard. The 10-year fell to 4.32% and the 30-year hit 4.86%, flattening the curve. The dollar continued higher, led by euro weakness. Consumer confidence came in strong, 97.2, above expectations. Job openings slipped, but the drop matched consensus. Housing prices pulled back and wholesale inventories came in hotter than expected. The 7-year Treasury auction was solid with strong demand despite supply concerns. China trade talks wrapped in Stockholm. No deal yet, but Treasury said a 90-day extension is likely. Trump's still pushing for tariff revenue, even if partners stay at the table. Positioning remains constructive going into tomorrow. Microsoft and Meta report after the bell, and the FOMC decision hits mid-afternoon. GDP, ADP jobs, and pending home sales all land before the open. The market still favors the upside, driven by AI, CapEx, corporate buybacks, and resilient U.S. macro backdrop. Copper is still outperforming gold, Treasury demand remains firm, and equity buyers haven't flinched, even with stretched valuations and tightening risk premiums. This was more of a pullback. I wouldn't call it a breakdown, but stay disciplined, stay focused, stay profitable. I'll see you tomorrow morning for the pre-market warm-up set. God bless.